Are you logged into WhatsApp on your computer, but want to log out using just your phone? No problem. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. First, make sure your internet is turned on. Then, on your mobile phone, open the WhatsApp app. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Linked Devices. Here, you'll see all the devices where your WhatsApp is logged in. Find your computer in the list, tap on it, and then hit Log Out. That's it. You've logged out WhatsApp from your PC or laptop, directly from your mobile phone. So that's how you can easily log out WhatsApp from your computer, using only your mobile phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.